Hi, let's make this pretty card with Griffin Nativity shadow box style. Okay, I cut everything out, and for the card base I cut both layer that provided by Anna's, the intricate layer and the shadow layer or the base layer she had in the kit or in the die set. The only thing is there is no score line on the shadow base or the card base they put in this in this die set, and you need to figure it out by yourself. I tried different methods like measuring and stuff like that, but those doesn't seem work pretty well, or at least I couldn't find the way that works the best. So what I found is I cut that thing out, and after that I stuck my second layer on top of that, and with the score line in this layer, in the intricate layer, I scored my card base as well, as I shown in my video. So I did that, and then you can easily score the line and it fits nicely together. So now I'm going to decorate my card with the layer we have in the card kit. I also have I cut a belly band to close my card nicely, and for the borderline I've used an old Martha Stewart punch I had, so I did that. And to decorate that I will use a few items from one of Anna's old Christmas card kit that I have in my stash. So I'm going to use this, and let's put it together. Really appreciate you being here. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace out, you.